and relax. Let's do some maths. These are going to be quite relaxing because they're going to all involve the number 10. Oh look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes on the right hand side. That might help us see the answers, feel the answers, just relax into the answers. I'm just going to slowly start writing them in. And you might pause the video if you want to relax even more and just think about the answers before you see them. 7 plus 3 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 minus 1, that'll be 9. Something minus 3 is 7. Oh, that's 10 again, because 3 and 10 make 7. 2 and 8 make 10. What does 1 and 9 make? That'll be 10 again. Oh, 5 and 5 is 10. We've written that as 10 minus 5 is 5. Now for what I'd say is some relaxing addition and subtraction questions. You might be using the number line to help you answer addition questions. Well, this first one's 12 because you shift 1 across. And as you get more used to numbers, you can just spot, feel, you can just feel what the next number is going to be. What's the next number after 4? That would be 5. What's the next number after 0? That would be 1. Don't believe me? There you go. What's the next number after 2? That would be 3. What's the next number after minus 4? We're adding, so we go to the right. So that would be minus 3. And this last one is minus 5. Now if we subtract, we go to the left on the number line. Or you might not think about the number line at all. You might just have an intuitive understanding of what subtraction means. I don't think about the number line anymore. It was useful to me when I learnt, but I don't think about it anymore. Anyway, 8 minus 1. So, oh yes, that's 1 less. What's 1 less than 0? Well, that would be minus 1, definitely. Because that's like 1 worse. If I was scoring points, minus 1's got to be worse than 0, or in most games. Minus 1, minus another 1, that'll end up at minus 2. Minus 2, minus 1, that ends up at minus 3, because it becomes more negative. For 4 to become more negative, it gets closer to 0. Finally, minus 6 becomes minus 7 when we minus 1 from it. Finish off just with some little sums here. There's a bit of a pattern, maybe you'll notice. There's a number that keeps cropping up. What's 2 times 8? 16. I always remember that because I can just kind of feel it. I just know that 8 and another 8 makes 16. It's quite common, so I just kind of always notice it. Also, I just know that 4 times 4 is 16 because I've done it so many times. What if we do 16 and times it by 1? Well, we've still got 16, haven't we? What about 16 minus 6? That would make 10. What about 14 plus 2? Well, I know that 4 plus 2 is 6. So I'll just make it 16 because it's 14 plus 2. That's how I think about it anyway. Half of 16, I know that straight away because I know that 2 times 8 is 16. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that's just 16 because it's just the same as 4 times 4 because it's 4 lots of 4. Anyway, that's how I think about it. What if I have 16 times 0? That means I haven't got any 16s. Oh, well then I haven't got anything, have I? It's just 0. And 16 minus 1, that's 15. And relax.